Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how to keep your white sheets clean, or if you have a white rug like I do, how to keep them clean and looking like brand new every single time. So if you don't know, one of my favorite color, not one of my favorite color, my favorite color of all times is white. I love white. Like literally the whole house, like the majority of the house, everything in it is white. I have white nightstand, white tables, stand light, and as you can see, I have a lot of white stuff in the house. And I get asked from people a lot. I have 3 kids, and how can you manage white with 3 kids? And I'm going to give you guys tips and tricks on how I manage it. It's just like every other color for me that you have to clean on a regular basis. So what I do is that I take all the sheets out and I soak them into water for a little bit for about 5 minutes. Let them soak really well before you start adding your product. I don't usually use bleach because I don't like the smell of bleach that much, and this is the one I use to keep my sheets looking white and clean. As you can see, my kids' bed sheets are not really looking good right now but you guys are going to see the transformation afterwards. So I use baking soda. Baking soda is my go-to product. I use these things for a lot of things: to keep my teeth clean, to scrape some markers out of the shelves or walls, and I also take vinegar. Guys, this is the trick. Baking soda and vinegar is a way to go. It's going to keep your fabric soft. It's going to keep your white looking like brand new, like you won't even believe it. So I add those two into this mix, and I leave it to sit for about an hour. So in that hour, I'm going to go ahead and do some of my other laundries and clean up a little bit while that one is soaking for 1 hour. So as you can see here, I had some laundries to do. My daughter is always changing her clothes like every 4 hours. Like you guys can imagine how that girl like change clothes. She changed clothes like no man's business. So I have a lot of laundry to do. Sometimes I do laundries. What I tend to do my laundries on the weekend, because you want to save some money, because when you do your laundry during the week or weekdays, or depending on the time you do your laundry, you'd pay more. So I usually do my laundry on the Saturday, and I'm just showing you guys here how I do my whites. And I just went ahead to put one load in and clean all the other surface, and yeah, just wait while the whites are soaking. As you can see, I'm always cleaning. When I'm doing my laundry, my drying sheet, I tend to add a little bit of water to it. I don't know, I just I've been doing this for a long time. I just add a little bit of water before I put it in the dryer. Do you guys add water to your drying sheet or not? Just leave a comment down below if it's weird that I put my drying sheet into water before I put it in the dryer. Just let me know. So as you can see here, guys, I'm just going ahead to clean around the place, and after about an hour or less than an hour, the washing time was 45 minutes. So after about 45 to 50 minutes, I came back and all the stain were gone. Some of them were makeup stains, some of them were just, I don't know, just dirt. When you use your sheets, I usually wash the sheet about 2 weeks, every 2 weeks for the kids and myself. And yeah, it gets dirty, of course, because you lie down on it, you sweat and all that. So yeah, guys, after that, I just take that and I put it in the washer, and I go ahead and add all my other stuff to it. This is optional, because as you can see, all the stains are gone. You can just take this and put it in the washer, add your laundry detergent and your fabric softener, and turn it on and wash it. You won't really need anything else. But if you just want to keep it, you just want to add a tiny bit of what is it called, bleach. You can add a tiny bit of bleach. With this one I added a tiny bit of bleach because the stain was really bad. Even though the stain came out, I still just added just a tiny bit of bleach because I don't really like the smell of the bleach. So the bleach smells overpowers a lot of the laundry detergent. So for me, that's what I feel. So as you can see here, I just added everything to it. Turn on the washer while the other one is drying, and go ahead and wash it. As you can see here, just a tiny bit of bleach that I added to that, and the white will just wash it. So when I'm done doing that, I just go ahead just to clean out the bathtub, make sure it's clean and nice looking. I'm always cleaning, guys. You can't find me sitting somewhere, I don't know. So now that the whites are done, I'm going to go ahead and fold all of them. As you can see, they came out looking like brand new, looking nice, fresh, and smelling really good. And this is how I keep my white really white. And you can do this with even some of the white that has colors, like mixed color fabric, and it will keep your white and keep your colored looking really bright and nice. So it won't really damage your clothes if you were to use bleach. So baking soda and vinegar is what I usually use to keep my white looking really nice and clean and fresh and brand new looking. And yes guys, I hope you guys love this video. If this is your first time clicking on my video, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are returning, you are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I value you a lot. And guys, I just went ahead to make my bed. Please push the subscribe button down below if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. I am based here in Toronto, Canada. I make videos on home decoration, cleaning, cooking, shop with me, and things like that. If you're interested in that, please push the subscribe button down below. Also, do not forget to push the notification bell so that you get a notification whenever I'm uploading a video. So I just went ahead to make my bed. Usually my bed is white and gray, and today I decided to add a tiny bit hint of pink because Valentine is coming, and I just wanted to add a little bit of pink just to switch up the colors. And I went to IKEA previously, and I just used some of this blanket. This specific blanket that I got, this pink one, this one was from Dollarama. I was so lucky that day when I walked into Dollarama and I saw this super gorgeous pink throw on back blanket, and I was so happy. And it has been about 2 years now, and I can't find that same blanket again. The second one that I added to it, I think I got that from either Winners or HomeSense or Walmart. One of them, I think I got it from Walmart for $21. The pink throw-on blanket from Dollarama was $4. The white one on top of it is from Walmart. It was $21. And the pillowcase cover, the pink ones, I got it from IKEA. My bed is from Leon. The beginning of COVID, Leon was doing a huge sale, and I got my king size bed from Leon. I really like the design, even though I wanted a white one, but they didn't have any white, and I was like, what other colors could go with my furniture that is white? And I just decided to get this one because the price was really good. So yes guys, I hope you guys love this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking, commenting. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. So if you're asking me how I keep all my stuff white, this is how I keep all my stuff white: vinegar and baking soda. So guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.